Well, we got a half hour to go. The rain is holding off. The vendors are setting up. There's a few missing vendors. There's like nobody right here at all. The biscuit truck just drove up. Cromwell, Seafood Man, Chris, Tommy, the first vegetable guy. We might as well walk down here since we're not doing anything else. Scan through the vegetables. We got vegetables. Klondike. And here comes the best of it. There goes the leader.
Yeah, just put one more time for like a couple seconds. Okay.
I'm not going all the way down. This is the lady car with the pumpkins. They sell all sorts of things. She's got one right there. She's setting out now. A car pumpkin. I don't know where they all are.
That's like when kids are too quiet, either be bad.
Gathering. Here's one of them.
We did this. Everybody needed to know.
Some baby ones. Look at the size of that thing. Mushrooms. Take a trip and never leave the market. If they were the right kind. Soup love. Crunchy. We're bound back. Maybe some more vendors will show up. I forgot the best of it when I was down here. That, you already seen them. Look at them tickets right there. Baby ones.
Yes, yes.
How you doing this morning?
Pretty good. How about you?
Okay. I'm glad the rain is holding off for us.
Yes.
Now next to all those things is the peanut butter. This lady makes homemade peanut butter. Look at those flavors. Breathtaking. My refrigerator has several bottles of it in theirs right now. I don't think we're going much further. We're down here by the end here now. Flower Lady. Coffee. Mad Seasoning Guy. Off we go.
Bits of stuff. I mean, they ain't hurt nothing.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is a very fine knife right here. They look like a regular knife to you, but it's a Winkler. Breathtaking.